some gay residents in Nara thought na sa dinami namin ng keys sa UP, bakit hindi nag-form ng group para i-protectahan sila from violence. So originally, nagsimula siya na puro gays lang kasi Nara nga, so it's a main dorm. Tapos, I forgot kung what year na nag-incorporate ng ibang parts ng LGBT. So, napalitan yung constitution namin to include lesbians, bisexuals, and transgender. Purpose technically is to push for equality kasi may mga incidences na hindi nare-respeto yung students dahil nga sa kanyang sexual orientation or gender identity. So, parang we try to be there for them, and if ever na kailangan nilang help, file complaints or issue statements para ma-raise yung issue. Kasi kapag walang iba nagre-represent sa students ng gano'n, parang hindi siya naririnig ng campus at hindi siya na-ignore yung issue. So parang kawawa naman siya. Tapos we also try to be a support group for those na hindi naman sila member ng organization but they have problems going, coming out of their families or whatnot. We try to extend our help naman as much as we can. Given sa schedule namin the students. Parang you don't have to be a member of the org for you to ask help from the org.
So open for everybody na LGBT to open up.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is his purpose in joining the organization? Iba-iba yung purposes ng mga tao for joining it. Kasi may member kami na up to now, queer siya. So hindi niya alam kung, kumbaga, in his, journey at self-discovery. So, we would like to help him with that. Kung susuportan namin siya. Tapos, like some members experience discrimination in their homes. So, they're looking for a safe space kung saan sila makaka-freely express themselves. Katulad ng pag-uwi na sa probinsya, tagus sila sa closet. Pero pagdating nila dito, na-express nila ng malayo yung sarili nila. May mga members na parang yung iba transferees from other UP systems na parang wala pa nung time nila na pagpunta dito kasi may mga iba-iba na rin organizations sa ibang UP systems na walang ganito klaseng organization doon. So parang they're looking for that safe space and then positive regard from other people. At saka we also hold educational discussions about LGBT issues. So para rin maraman nila yung nangyari within their community. Ay yung may hindi na-join sa isang engineering org dahil nga bakla siya. Pero they're not a cracker at all. So, parang, it's discrimination. Ano naman kung bakla siya, hindi siya sumali. Pero that was like 2011 ba o 12? I forgot na. So far, wala pa namang bago. Pero we don't know. Kasi nga, may mga tao hindi nag-report, may mga tao na sa DGO nag-report. So, we cannot say, at saka yun nga, dahil nga may mga hindi nag-report, we can't say how, we can't necessarily give an exact number of the number of discrimination cases in campus. Technically kasi ngayon, ang ginagawa namin, other than the EDs, we're also going to other schools to help form their own organizations para, kasi nga, minsan may makakuha kami reports ng sexual discrimination or nagsusumbong, pero from other schools. And, di ba may responsibilities din kami as students na. So, we cannot attend to all of that, pero it's hard din naman to ignore. Kasi, kawawa din naman sila. So, para, in a way, mayroon kaming alumni organization, yung alumni namin, with them, with their help, we try to organize from different schools para sila din, they could protect themselves. Kasi, parang, di ba kasi sabi, give man fish today and he'll be hungry tomorrow, teach man how to. So parang kung kami lang yung kung sa amin sila humihingi ng tulong, what if kunyari wag naman sana mangyari, wala nang mag-apply at mamatay ng org, ano na lang mangyayari? So parang at least they have the capacity, well hindi naman siguro ganun kalakas na capacity, pero at least there's a start. So from there they could grow and then become their own support group.